Welcome to the world's largest assembly building. Today, I'll show you exactly how we build a commercial jetliner from massive aluminum panels to an ultra-advanced passenger aircraft. Don't forget to subscribe for more ultimate factory and engineering tour. From automated wing fusing stations to heavy thrust jet engine integration, let's explore this heavy metal engineering masterpiece. Behind these colossal aerospace walls lies a marvel of modern production mechanics, where raw materials and advanced composites are transformed into the world's most sophisticated commercial aircraft with absolute mathematical precision. Every hour, thousands of advanced components converge at the receiving yard, starting a journey governed entirely by cutting-edge automation. Massive transport logistics networks verify structural material purity and composite specifications instantly before a single panel enters the main fabrication cycle. Advanced industrial crane systems feed massive fuselage barrels and wing panels upward into giant alignment structures at blinding speeds. The process truly begins in the heavy joining center, where multi-axis automated drill networks position themselves over long structural seams, drilling and countersinking thousands of fastening holes with flawless accuracy. High-capacity robotic riveting systems follow immediately, driving heavy-duty titanium rivets into the wing spars and fuselage frames under immense mechanical pressure. The raw fuselage sections are then brought together inside vertical alignment fixtures, using high-precision laser trackers to calibrate structural joints perfectly before final fastening. Specialized automated floor tools track along the interior circumference of the hull, securing the primary skin joints with absolute structural synergy. Non-destructive automated testing rings slide down the finished seams, utilizing advanced ultrasonic and X-ray imaging to check the integrity of every fastener line instantly. Inside the towering atmosphere of the main assembly bay, massive overhead cranes lift the multi-ton wings, bringing them to the wing-to-body join cell where they are bolted seamlessly to the center fuselage section. Blazing fast automated mechanisms run miles of complex electrical wiring harnesses and fiber optic data channels along the interior rib walls of the aircraft hull. Heavy-duty lifting rigs raise the horizontal and vertical stabilizers into position on the rear-aft fuselage, securing the tail assembly tightly against flight forces. High-capacity vacuum lifts handle thick, multi-layered cockpit windshield panels, checking their fit perfectly before pressing them into the nose frame. In the final integration suite, automated scissor lifts rise inside the cabin doors, transferring pre-assembled modular lavatories, galleys, and passenger seating tracks directly into the aircraft floor rails. Elsewhere, automated crane networks lift massive high-bypass turbofan jet engines up toward the wing pylons, aligning their primary structural mounting pins with millimetric accuracy. Central data networks run comprehensive flight deck checks, tracking automated diagnostic signals across thousands of high-voltage wiring paths simultaneously. Massive structural test bays seal and pressurize the completed aircraft hull, validating fuselage weld and seal tolerances under extreme flight-like stresses. High-powered hydraulic actuators flex the colossal wing flaps and ailerons continuously, proving mechanical control surface resilience under severe aerodynamic loads. The completed aircraft then taxis into a massive painting hangar, where automated robotic spray arms apply layers of protective primer and the iconic airline livery topcoat with flawless precision. Giant hangar doors roll open to deliver the finished jetliner onto the outdoor flight line for final fueling and system testing. High-flow fuel lines connect directly to the underwing panels, pumping thousands of gallons of jet fuel as flight operations controllers monitor real-time telemetry from the central control center. Auxiliary power units spool up into a high-pitched turbine whine, initiating engine start sequences that bring the massive jet engines into a deep, powerful idle roar. And that's how this incredible commercial machine is built today.